Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. So my customer bought a kit. So basically the kit is to put your license plate on, but there's no drilling involved into the kit. So this one is designed for Toyota Corolla itself. This is the name of the company. All right, so I'm looking at the instruction, guys. So basically it comes with everything you need. You got the washers. Those are Allen key nuts. You got the brackets, and you even have a little Allen key that comes with it. And hold on guys, and you got this bracket in here that comes also with it. I think it's part of it, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna try to install it for him. So I'll show you guys how to do the install. Okay, these are the parts that you'll need for the beginning. All right, I look at the instruction a little bit, so I'm gonna try to install it for him. Okay, so let's give it a try. The way they say to install it, this is your point basically, not this here. You see my hand can go in it. It's supposed to go right in here. Okay, let me show you real quick, guys. So you see how at the end it says FL and BL. So this is for the back, this is for the front. So basically I'm gonna try to install them the way it's supposed to go. Okay, let me get the screws that goes with them. So in the kit it says the MX30. I believe this is this big guy. So you're gonna put this guy in here. This is the back. I'm gonna try to put the back in and hold it in, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna tighten this guy in. The front. All right, you put it just snug. Please try not to over tighten it. Okay, there you go, that's snug. So you would do the same thing on the other side. So the other side actually goes right next to it. So the back one, B right, goes like this. And make sure it's right. Hold on. There you go. They are directional, guys. Make sure you put them right. Okay, now let's tie everything together. What we're doing is make sure this is tight. Okay, there we go. It's not going anywhere. That's solid. All right, guys, the next thing that you gotta put on is this guy here. It goes in like this. So we gotta screw it in. Just screw that in, guys. I'm trying to line it up as much as I can to keep it in the middle. Okay, we don't want to make it too tight, guys. Okay, that's pretty steady. Okay, yeah, that's pretty steady, guys. I like it. Okay, now we can basically put the plate on. Okay, hold that thought. All right, guys, there's a couple screws. There's two different types. There's there's four smaller one. That's if you're putting just a plate, and if you got a plate cover, there's this longer one. So right now I don't see the plate cover, so all I'm gonna do is just put the plate on for now. Okay, and then we're gonna save the longer one for when we get the plate cover. So now we're gonna put this plate on, guys. All right, guys, I forgot to add something to the thing. Let me grab it real quick. We're gonna take out the plate. We're going to put the little plate silicone cover. So we're gonna use the longer bolt, guys, and we're gonna leave the other little one there. Okay, we're gonna put the plate in here. All right, got it on finally. Okay, now we can put the plate back on here. All right, guys, now the plate is installed. Now it's installed. All right. That little quick mod for the plate bracket so that you don't have to drill for the GR Corolla is all done. I actually like this little mod. Anyway, guys, it's done. I'm gonna put everything in the description down below. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. All right, until the next time, peace.